Hello everybody and welcome back. We're looking at question number 19, not 19, question number 9 in this video. Oh, that's off to a great start. Anyways, question number 9 on the 2008 Cayley math contest. Let's take a look. Hopefully you've already taken a look before watching this video, but here we go. If A is 7 and B is 13, the number of even positive integers less than A times B is... And we have a bunch of possibilities. This question strikes me as a little odd, but okay. I feel like they could have just taken this question and... So, it's weird that there's all these expressions with A, B here. I almost want to say the question was originally proposed with if A and B are odd positive integers. Because the 7 and the 13 really have nothing to do with it. But I think somebody probably came along and said, this is too hard, or we don't have enough easy questions, we can make this one pretty easy. Okay, so I think there's sort of two ways to go about this question. A times B in this particular case is 7 times 13, which is 91. How many even positive integers are less than 91? Well, that's everything from 2 through 90. And that's going to be 45. 90 divided by 2, 45 even numbers. So using A and B as 7 and 13, which of these expressions is 45? Okay. And you can just go through, like, A plus B is going to be 20. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Well, no, that's not right. 6 times 12 is 72. No, that's not right. And you could just go through it like that. AB is 91 divided by 2. That's not even an integer, so that's not right. AB minus 1 is 7 times 30, so 91 minus 1, which is 90. And AB minus 1 divided by 2, there you go, you're going to get 45. So A will be the answer, and that's one way to do it, but I think you could probably just do it and ignore the 7 and 13 and just say, if A and B are odd positive integers. So let's, we'll write that up briefly. If A and B are odd, so is A times B. Just a little exercise, make the question a little harder. Close our eyes and imagine for a second it's a written question. What would we do? So is AB. So the even numbers less than AB are 2, 4, 6, all the way up to AB minus 1, which, as I explained, is 90 for these particular numbers, but that doesn't really matter. And the number of these is half of AB minus 1, which is the number of numbers. Well, let's just say, I got a little time. Let's write it out. Half of 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to AB minus 2, AB minus 1. All these numbers, 1, 2, 3, all the way up through 89, 90. It's half of those numbers because we don't want the odd ones. Well, how many numbers are there? So it's 1/2 of AB minus 1. Because how many numbers are there from 1 to 50? There's 50 of them. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 50. So our answer is AB minus 1 over 2, and we don't lose too much sleep over it. There it is, it's A. That's a purely theoretical way to do it. It has nothing to do with 7 or 13, other than if they're both odd. That's all. How did you know to change the problem so it said A, B are odd positive integers? Because they're talking about even positive integers. And so all we really care about is A, B even or is A, B odd. Because that would change the answer by 1. But there we go, A for 9. And we got one more question in part A, and that'll be question number 10. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you for 10 next time.